Hello everyone. Hi. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, which is polynomials. So let's start. What is polynomials? Polynomials means it is an algebraic expression with more than one term, and it should not any negative exponent for any variable in the terms. So let us discuss with an example. 2x cube, it is an polynomial. Similarly, 4y square, it is also a polynomial. X upon minus 3, it is not a polynomial because here it has negative exponent, and a polynomial never or a polynomial has no negative exponent for any variable in the terms. So polynomial in one variable, an algebraic expression of one variable in which the exponent of the variables are whole number is called polynomials in one variables. Okay student, so let us discuss with an example. In one variable means only one variable. Here see, it is x is a variable and 6 is a constant. It is a variable. So here only how many variables are present? One variable, which is x. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Now let us discuss what is the standard form of polynomial in one variable. We write standard form of polynomial in one variable is p of x equals to a0 x upon x plus a1 x upon n minus 1 plus dot 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 a n, where a0 a1 dot 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 an are real numbers. These are real numbers and are called the coefficient of the term. This a0 a1 an are real numbers and these are called coefficient of the first term is a0, coefficient of second term is a1. Okay, so whatever in we can also say that whatever a number is multiplied with a variable, that is the coefficient of that term. So here 6 is the coefficient. Next, degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial means a polynomial having highest power or exponent of the variable. For example, 6x6 plus 5x square plus 2. Here the variable is x and here the highest degree of the variable is 6. So the degree of this polynomial is 6. Next is your constant polynomial. For example, 5. So here 5 means we can write 5 as 5 multiplied with x to the power 0. So constant polynomial means a polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Here the degree is how much? 0. So it is a constant polynomial. Next is your zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means if all the constant or coefficient in a polynomials are 0. For example, f of x equals to 0. So it is an example of zero polynomial. And remember, the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Next is your monomials. Polynomials having only one term is called a monomial. For example, 2x a square b 4a cube. These are examples of monomials. Next is your binomials. Polynomials having two terms are known as binomials. For example, x square plus 2, 3x square minus x. So here two terms are there. Here also two terms. So these are binomials. Next, trinomials. Polynomials having three terms. For example, 2x square minus x plus 1, t cube plus t square minus t. These are example for trinomials. Next is your linear polynomial. So linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example, 2x plus 1. Here the degree of this variable is 1. So it is an example for linear polynomial. Next is your quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, a degree of that polynomial is 2. For example, x square plus 5. So here the degree is 2. So it is an example of quadratic polynomial. Next is your cubic polynomial. So in cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 6x cube or x cube minus 2x square plus 3. Here the degree is how much? 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Let us discuss some more example related to the polynomial. So student, tell me, it is a polynomial? No. Now question arises, why? Because this term can be written as x upon minus 2, and here the degree of this polynomial is not a whole number. It should be a whole number. The degree of all the variable present in a polynomial should be a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Let's see another example. X plus 2 root x plus 1. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because this root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. So here the degree or the exponent of this variable is not a whole number. Now another example, 79. It is a polynomial. It is a which type of polynomial? It is a constant polynomial. So we can write this as x upon 0. Yes. Now another example. What is the coefficient of the expansion of x plus 3 whole cube? We have to find the coefficient of this expansion of this term. So x plus 3 whole cube can be written as x cube plus 3x square into 3 plus 3 into x into 3 square plus 3 cube. So it can be simplified as x cube plus 9x square plus 27x plus 27. So here the coefficient of x is 27. If it is asked what is the coefficient of x square, then the coefficient of x square will be 9. Now in the same question, tell me what is the degree of this polynomial? It is 3. Now write the degree of the polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial for this is 5, because it is the highest degree of this polynomial. Okay, thank you.